Hello everybody, it's Brenda from the Stamping with the CopperCropper with a quick tip to you today on how to use your builder punch. This weekend I made this cute little ladybug card with the new Hello Ladybugs stamp set. Now, to make the ladybug, we have a builder punch. It can be used to make things other than the ladybug, such as a butterfly or a bumblebee, and I'll cover that in another video. But today I want to show you how to make a template to make it easier to use the punch. Now, I like to save my acetate sheets that come with the stamp sets and make my template. But it's really hard to see this for the video, so I'm going to use some white paper to make the template. One of the reasons I like the acetate is when I get ink all over them, I can just clean it off. Okay, now when you use the punch, you take your paper and you slide it into the punch, and then you punch it out. Now this is two different pieces. Trying to stamp two separate images and get them perfectly lined up before you slide them in is virtually impossible, which is why we're using the template. So you put your piece of paper in. Make sure when you put the paper in, you hit on the back with it all the way, and that it's lined up right with the edge there. Then, and you can see we've got the two parts here. And now we have this piece of paper that will line up perfectly with this. So if you use the template, your images will be lined up and it'll be perfect. So there are a couple ways you can use the template. You can put it over top a piece of paper. When you do that, make sure it's always lined up the way you want to use your punch. And then you would just put your stamps inside of it. Set your block down, and when you lift the blocks up, the stamp will be on it, and then you can stamp as many copies as you want. I like to use my stamp positioning tool because I think it just makes it easier. So let me put a plate in here in my Stamparatus. Now let me get the template back, lined up correctly, and I'm going to put my pieces in. Both of them. And now I'm going to close the plate on this after I get it all the way up into the corner. And my images are stuck to it. So now, if I just wanted to stamp without the template, they're in the perfect position on the Stamparatus so that after I stamp, they will be lined up. If I wanted to, I could keep the template there and just stamp through it. And that works great when you do it with the acetate. And the Stamparatus makes it easy just to do stack after stack, which is one of the reasons I like it. Now you can also just punch out the little colored pieces and make different things using paper piercing techniques. But for today, I just wanted to show you the quick tip on how to make some templates. So I hope that's helpful for using our builder punches. Happy stamping, and I'll see you next time.